I hope you all enjoy this amazing cheesy bacon and sausage potato soup recipe. I am doing this as part of Gail's Southern Living's hashtag Cozy Fall Soup 22 collaboration. All right, we're going to start this soup out with bacon. You can't go wrong with bacon. So I'm going to kind of do a big pot. I'm going to be cooking the sausage up next. So this is 4 slices of bacon just cut in half. Okay, got my bacon out, and now in that same bacon grease, I'm cooking up some Lil Smokies that I sliced. So we'll get those cooked, and then I'll take those off and add in my veggies. Just a note, we have also cooked this with some hot sausages, like those Louisiana hot links. We like it like that, but we're cooking this for the larger family, for the kids, and they don't like the hot links in there. So putting in these Lil Smokies, they also add a neat flavor to the soup, but you could put in any kind of sausage. Okay, I've taken out the sausage and I've poured off some of that grease into this pan, and I'm gonna start cooking my veggies in here. So I'll show you what I'll be adding. Okay, this is about 1 small to medium-sized onion chopped. I'm going to let this cook a little bit, and then I'm going to add in some garlic. Okay, I've just added in some garlic cloves, chopped up. I used about 3 super large elephant garlic cloves, but add as much as you like. Okay, so I have added in 2 celery stalks, cut in half and then chopped up small. And also some of those baby carrots. I just sliced those small. Not too many carrots because I don't like too many carrots. But add as many carrots as you want. Okay, I have chopped about 6 to 8 potatoes. And I've added those in here to boil in, it's actually chicken broth and some water. So I do the chicken broth water combo. I've turned the burner off on these, and I'm just letting them sit. I did not let them cook until the carrots were completely soft, or same with the celery, because I want to add them to the potatoes. Likewise, I'm not going to cook the potatoes until they're completely soft, until after I add this. That way that all of the flavors can come together, and I'll show you that in just a minute. Okay, I've added in the carrots and onions and celery and garlic. I'm going to let this cook a little bit longer, and then I'll add the meat in, and then we'll move on to the cheeses. Okay, now I'm adding back in the bacon and the sausage. Okay, now I'm going to let this heat up a little bit before I add the cheese. I want to make sure the cheese melts and doesn't just stick to the pan. So we'll do that here in just a minute. All right, I'm going to be adding in 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. I use the shredded fresh. You could shred it yourself or get the flakes too, but don't use the shelf stable kind. I mean, you could, but it won't taste as good. This is what works better. I'm also going to add 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. We'll let that melt. Once it's melted, I'm going to add in some cream. So I put in here 2 tablespoons of butter at Mountain Grandpa's request. He wanted half a stick. Not a good idea, but I give him his 2 tablespoons. And now I'm going to add in some cream to this. This is actually just whole milk. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'm going to let the butter melt in here. And you can see the soup here. It's all done. We're going to get ourselves some bowls of soup. Send it over to the kids. If you want it even yet more cheesier, you can add some, like, sprinkle your shelf-stable Parmesan cheese over the top, or more of those Parmesan cheese flakes or shredded or whatever you like. But this is it. I hope you all enjoy it, and thanks for watching. I will leave the recipe down below. It really is a little of this and a little of that. However you want to do this. This is just how I do it. And I hope you all enjoy it. Remember, everybody, in everything we do, keep your joy. See you on the next one.